Thing is, because there's been literally no other crash damage with Voltos, not even Lamborghini are gonna know how this car reacts in an accident. Because again, every accident's different. So it's down to us to try and figure this out. And again, there's no workshop manuals online about this car, and there's a very slim chance that Lamborghini are going to give us any repair procedures, because as we already covered, they don't really want DIYers working on the car. But the more we stripped, the more damage we found. Oh wow, I think we found why we crashed. It's done 1,000 miles.
Sideways.
Done 1,000 miles, and that's what the tyre looks like. The tyre was not the healthiest.
They've definitely not run that engine in properly, have they?
But the good news, on the right hand side of the car, all the suspension and the brakes looked all okay. I started stripping apart the car even further. My aim was to try and get the whole back engine cover off. Then that should expose everything around the engine of the car. Hopefully finding the reason why this car won't start.
Right, are we any closer to a pyro fuse?
But we weren't any closer. Our only option now was to try and find the starter motor to see if we could manually turn the car over ourselves.